Hey everyone around the world, I'm here to present to you latest hair trends that range from curls, braids, cornrows, anything to do with hair as long as it's trending right now, locks. This is a video for you. Anything concerning hair for ladies, these are the most trending hairstyles right now, the ones that are trending now. Please watch this video to the end and don't forget to subscribe if it's your first time. Comment, like, share this video to your friends, and don't forget to click on the notification bell. I brought you the best trending hairstyles that you're gonna like. I've covered all areas, let it be crochets, weaves, anything, braids, twists, curls, anything that is about ladies' hairstyles that are trending, it's in this video right now. Please watch to the end and let me know what you want me to do for you or what you like most. Ask me questions, go into the comment section, and I'm always here to answer you. I love you and I send greetings to you people around the world, in USA, Canada, Brazil, everywhere around the world, Europe, everywhere, Asia, Middle East, Africa. You guys, I love you so much because I've seen you following, subscribing, liking this channel. Keep on doing that and let us fulfill our mission of reaching 10,000 subscribers. Please don't leave this channel minus subscribing if it's your first time. I am JK. Let me leave you to watch the whole video, and please watch to the end because all hairstyles here in this video are so mesmerizing, beautiful and glamorous. I love you.
city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher.